Have you ever stood in front of your supplements, wondering if you're just creating expensive urine? You're not alone. Over 50% of people are taking their supplements incorrectly, and today we're going to change that. I've spent years researching supplement science, and I'm going to share exactly what you need to know to get real results. No more guessing, no more wasting money, and no more confusion. In this guide, you'll learn which supplements actually work and which are a waste of money, how to time your supplements for maximum absorption, the exact protocol I use, and how to save money while getting better results. But before we dive in, grab a pen and paper. Throughout this video, I'll give you action steps to create your personal supplement protocol. First, let's understand the foundation principle that changes everything. Part 1, the foundation, start here. Here's the truth that supplement companies don't want you to know. Most people don't need most supplements. Shocking, right? Let's start with what you actually need. Step 1, know your numbers. Before you spend another dollar on supplements, you need to know your baseline. Here's what to test and why. Vitamin D, the master hormone. Vitamin D plays a key role in regulating hundreds of genes in your body, affecting everything from mood to immune function. In many populations, vitamin D deficiency is common, with some studies suggesting up to 70% of people may have insufficient levels. Affects everything from mood to immune function. B12, your energy powerhouse, essential for brain function and energy. Often low in vegans and people over 50. A simple blood test can tell you exactly where you stand. Pause the video and check when you last had these tested. Pro tip. Don't just rely on standard ranges. For example, while your doctor might say a vitamin D level of 30 nanograms per milliliter is fine, research shows optimal levels are between 40 and 60 nanograms per milliliter for most health benefits. Part 2. Quality detective. Don't waste your money. Let's play supplement detective. I'm going to show you exactly how to spot high-quality supplements and avoid expensive scams. Look at these 2 magnesium supplements. Brand A, proprietary blend, 500 milligrams. Brand B, magnesium glycinate, 200 milligrams. Which one is better? The answer might surprise you. Pause and guess which one is better. Let's break it down. 1. Forms matter. Magnesium oxide, 4% absorption. Magnesium glycinate, up to 80% absorption. Do the math with me. Brand A, oxide. 500 milligrams times 4% equals 20 milligrams absorbed. Brand B, glycinate, 200 milligrams times 50% equals 100 milligrams absorbed. Part 3, the absorption game changer. Proper timing can significantly improve the absorption and effectiveness of your supplements. The synergy map, vitamin D and K2, perfect partners. Iron and vitamin C, absorption boost. Calcium and D3, better bone building, but watch out for these clashes. Iron and calcium, competition for absorption. Zinc and copper, competing minerals. Fat-soluble vitamins without fat, because vitamin D is poorly absorbed when consumed without a meal containing fat. Part 4, timing mastery, the daily game plan. Let's transform your morning supplement routine from confusion to precision. Here's something most people don't realize. The order and timing of your supplements matter as much as the supplements themselves. Your morning protocol. Step 1, early morning on an empty stomach. Iron supplements, but only if you're not having coffee within 2 hours. Why? Coffee can significantly reduce iron absorption. Think about it. How many of you take your iron with your morning coffee? That's like putting premium gas in your car, but leaving the gas cap off. Step 2, with breakfast. This is your prime window for fat-soluble vitamins, but here's the catch. What you eat matters. Let's say you're having a low-fat breakfast like oatmeal with berries. That's great for your heart, but terrible for absorbing vitamins A, D, E, and K. Add some avocado, nuts, or olive oil to unlock maximum absorption. Quick quiz. Would you absorb more vitamin D from A, 5,000 IU with plain toast, B, 2,000 IU with eggs and avocado? Take a moment to think about it. The answer is B, because absorption can vary by up to 300% depending on the fat content of your meal. Step 3, mid-morning. This is your sweet spot for B-complex vitamins. They're like your body's energy production team, best taken when you need that mental clarity for your day. Now, let's talk about your midday strategy. Your lunch break isn't just for eating, it's a crucial supplement window. But here's what most people get wrong. They take everything at once. Let's fix that. Here's your perfect lunch stack. Number 1, minerals except iron with your meal. Number 2, probiotics if you didn't take them at breakfast. Number 3, save magnesium for later. I'll tell you why in a minute. Part 5, the heavy hitters, what actually works. Let's cut through the supplement noise and focus on what research actually supports. I'm about to share the supplements that give you the biggest bang for your buck. Creatine, the brain and body booster. Here's something fascinating. Creatine isn't just for athletes. Recent research shows it can improve memory and cognitive function, particularly in vegetarians or older adults. Think of it as premium fuel for both your muscles and your brain. The protocol that actually works. 5 grams daily. Take it anytime. Consistency matters more than timing. Works for everyone. Yes, even if you're not hitting the gym. Vitamin D, the hormone optimizer. Let's clear up a major misconception. Vitamin D isn't just a vitamin, it's a hormone precursor. This means it affects everything from your mood to your immune system. The D3 success formula. Test, don't guess. Start with 2,000 IU if you're above 30 nanograms per milliliter, 5,000 IU if you're below, but test every 3 months. Take with K2. I'll explain why in a moment. Interactive moment. Take out your vitamin D supplement right now. Check the label. Does it include K2? If not, you're missing out on a crucial synergy. Magnesium, the master mineral. Here's something fascinating. Magnesium is involved in over 300 processes in your body, yet most people are deficient. It's crucial for sleep, stress management, muscle function, and energy production. The SMART protocol. 200 to 400 milligrams daily. Choose magnesium glycinate, malate, or citrate for best absorption. Avoid the oxide form. Remember, only 4% absorption. Take in the evening for better sleep. Pro tip. If you're feeling muscle tension, poor sleep, or high stress, this is your go-to mineral. Zinc, immune system's best friend. Zinc is your immune system's secret weapon, but here's the catch. Your body can't store it, so consistent intake matters. The effective approach? 15 to 30 milligrams daily. Take with food to avoid nausea. Don't combine with iron or calcium. Look for zinc picolinate or citrate forms. Warning. More isn't better. Stay under 40 milligrams daily unless directed by your healthcare provider. Remember, these heavy hitters are the foundation of an effective supplement strategy. Master these basics first before adding anything else. Now let's talk about probiotics. Think of these as reinforcements for your gut's beneficial bacteria. But here's the thing, not all probiotics are created equal. Let me break this down for you in simple terms. Different strains have different benefits, kind of like how different tools are good for different jobs. Look for products that actually guarantee their potency through expiration. Make sure to keep them refrigerated. And remember, quality matters way more than quantity of strains. All right, let's talk about omega-3s, the essential foundation. This is one of the most evidence-backed supplements you can take. And if you're not eating fatty fish twice a week, this one's crucial for you. Here's what makes omega-3s so special. They're essential fatty acids that your body can't produce on its own. Think of them as foundation pieces for your brain health, heart function, and managing inflammation. But here's where most people waste their money. They focus on total fish oil amount instead of what really matters, EPA and DHA. Here's the effective protocol for omega-3s. You want to aim for 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams combined EPA, DHA daily. And yes, those letters are important. Look for at least 60% EPA, DHA concentration. This is key. Take it with meals for better absorption. Here's your quality checklist. Trust me, this will save you money. Make sure it's third-party tested. Look for molecular distillation. It's worth it. Give it the smell test. If it's very fishy, it's probably rancid. Keep it in the fridge, just like those probiotics we talked about. Hey, and for my vegan friends out there, Algae-based omega-3s work great too. That's where fish get their omega-3s from anyway. Pro tip: if you're getting fish burps, you either need a better quality supplement or try freezing your capsules. And remember, quality matters more than quantity here. A smaller dose of high-quality omega-3s beats a larger dose of rancid ones every time. Part 6, Special Situations, Customizing Your Protocol. Now let's talk about how to adjust your supplement strategy for specific situations. This is where personalization becomes crucial. Athletes and active people. Your needs are different, but maybe not in the way you think. Here's what actually matters. The performance stack. 1. The essential base. Magnesium, but timing is crucial. Zinc, especially if you sweat a lot. Vitamin D, higher needs due to performance demands. Performance enhancers. Creatine, 5 grams daily. Beta-alanine, 3 to 5 grams daily. Electrolytes for long sessions. Part 7, Common Mistakes that Cost You Money. Before we talk about putting everything together, let's address the expensive mistakes I see people make every day. These aren't just minor errors. They're supplement saboteurs that waste both your money and potential health benefits. Mistake number 1, the more is better trap. Think taking double the vitamin C will give you double the immune support? Here's the reality check you need. Your body has absorption limits. It's like trying to fill a cup that's already full. The extra just spills over. Or in this case, gets expelled in your urine. Quick test. Are you making this mistake? If you're taking more than 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C at once, multiple products with overlapping ingredients, megadoses without testing, then you're probably wasting money, and fat-soluble vitamins can become toxic in high doses. Mistake number 2, timing conflicts. Here's a real example. My friend Sarah was taking calcium and iron supplements together every morning, wondering why her iron levels weren't improving. The solution wasn't more supplements, it was better timing. The 2-hour rule: separate these supplements by at least 2 hours. Calcium and iron, zinc and iron, multiple mineral supplements. Mistake number 3, ignoring forms and quality. Let's talk about magnesium again. If you're buying the cheapest option, usually magnesium oxide, you're actually spending more per absorbed milligram than if you bought a higher quality form. Part 8, your personal supplement blueprint. Now it's time to create your personalized plan. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, it's your custom blueprint for success. Step 1, the audit. Take out all your supplements right now. Yes, right now. Pause the video if you need to. Let's go through them one by one. Check expiration dates. Look for overlapping ingredients. Verify the forms of each nutrient. Step 2, the essential stack. Start with these basics. Vitamin D3 plus K2 if tests show you need it. Magnesium, preferably citrate, glycinate, or malate. A high-quality B complex if you're low in energy. Omega-3s if you don't eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week. Step 3, the daily schedule. Morning stack. B vitamins with breakfast. D3 plus K2 with your fattiest meal. Probiotics. Afternoon and evening stack. Minerals. Magnesium before bed. Any sport-specific supplements around your workout. Part 9, Troubleshooting and Fine-Tuning. Let's talk about what to do when things aren't working perfectly. Because let's face it, even the best planned supplement routine might need adjustments. Signs you need to adjust: digestive discomfort, not feeling the benefits, getting headaches, feeling jittery. The 30-day assessment. Track these markers: energy levels, sleep quality, digestive comfort, performance metrics. Final thoughts and action plan. You now have everything you need to transform your supplement routine from guesswork to science. Remember, start with testing. Begin with the essentials. Add one new supplement at a time. Track your results. Adjust based on your body's feedback. Your next steps. Schedule your baseline testing. Clean out your supplement cabinet. Start with the essential stack. Set reminders for optimal timing. Remember, the best supplement plan is the one you'll actually follow. Start small, be consistent, and adjust as needed. Before we wrap up, an important reminder. While this video provides research-backed information about supplements, everyone's needs are unique. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement routine, especially if you have medical conditions or take prescription medications. Supplements can be powerful tools for health, but they need to be used responsibly. Remember, this information is meant to educate and inform, not to diagnose or treat any condition. Pay attention to how your body responds and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance for your specific situation. I hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how to approach supplementation more effectively and safely. If you did, help others find this information by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on more evidence-based health content. Have questions about supplements? Drop them in the comments below. While I can't provide personal medical advice, I'll address common questions in future videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to supplements, start small, stay consistent, and always prioritize safety over quick fixes.